Hey everyone, it's Rideshare Reseller Mike, and we are going to do a back of the car haul. We're going to take a look at what I got today, and I'm going to tell you that today was tricky. It's Monday. I find Mondays to be hard. I don't know why, but they do. They just seem to be hard, and it was hard this morning. I mean, I went to about 4 stores and got nothing, and finally got a few things, and then this last store I was just at was a Goodwill. I just picked up 4 items, which kind of pushed me over and made it a good day as compared to just a day. So, the key to it is that I kept moving. I didn't just give up. Kept hitting my routine is what I'm trying to say. This store, this store, this store. This is how I move around. Just keep doing it. You do that enough, you're going to get lucky. A lot of this is pure luck. I don't care what anyone says. Sometimes it's skill. Occasionally when you find something that's really tucked away or hidden or something like that. Most of the time, if you're there and it's there and you know what it is, it was your day. That's kind of how it works. But the key is you have to keep moving and build that routine so that you get lucky. You continually get more lucky at finding the bigger items, all of that stuff. The more you go, the better you get, and the better stuff you get. That's the way I look at it. All right? So let's flip it around, take a look at what we got, and we'll see the totals. All right. Get out of the sun, guys. Oh, there you go. All right. So there's the stuff I got. It's not a lot, but there's some value in here, and we'll go over it. And there's something back there, too. We'll go over it, and we'll show you, all right? Let's start off way in the back. That's the Roland 405 guitar amplifier. That was a $20 purchase at a Goodwill, 1998. It is a Tube Logic, so it's got some unique technology. It's not real vintagey. 150 to 200 on that particular amp. Again, not afraid to ship it. Pretty straightforward. All right. Up next, an album. Klaatu. So it's not like I buy onesies, but when I find one that's kind of cool and in good shape, and this one happens to be in really, really good shape, and with my discount I paid $1.50, and this particular album will get about 22, and it will sell for 22, right around 22. So an easy flip. So I like that. Nobody's really looking at that. It's an easy $20 bill. So keep your eye out for certain albums. Do album searches and look for artists like John Coltrane, Miles Davis, all of this stuff. Take a look at some of the value of some of those albums. You'll be amazed where you find those. If you find some John Coltrane albums, they can be worth $400 or $500. So that's a tip. John Coltrane, all right? Next up back here is a bottle cutter. Paid $2.99 minus 20%. It's only going to get about 30 bucks, but it's brand new, and I like brand new. Unfortunately, no comps on Amazon for that that I saw, so it'll go on eBay. All right, these guys. This was from my last little pickup. I'm going to leave something for last to talk to you about. These guys were $9.98. 2 of them, they're both brand new. Most I will get $87 free ship. That's where they're going to sit. They're going to sit in $87 for free shipping. But I paid 10 and 10, so easy money. And net me about 50, right around there. All right, down here, since most of our gyms are still closed, a couple of 10-pound weights. I paid with my discount. It came out to $4 each. These I do not sell on eBay. I sell these locally on either Nextdoor or Facebook Marketplace. These I'm probably going to get about 30 bucks, but it's $20, and it's not that much work. You just leave it in your garage, run the ad. They come pick it up at your convenience when you're packaging or something like that. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. All right, this guy is the I Need, and it's by Brookstone. I paid a whopping, I think $6.99. These go for around 90 bucks, so around $90. Tested it out, it works perfectly. So that's 90. there's 80 and 80, whatever, 87, 87, so call it 90, 90, 90. There's 270 in actual sales right there, plus another, say, 30, so there's 300 right there. And this guy right here, very interesting. This is the type of keyboard you want to find. This is a mechanical keyboard, so it's much different. This is very heavy. When you pick up a mechanical keyboard, they are very heavy. This one's by Taurus, and I paid, I think, $349 for it, $349. What's great about some of these keyboards, they just price their keyboards $349, $499, depending on who's doing it and what day. And you can find these. So the mechanical ones like this one, really, really good. This would be $50 to $70 in that range. 50 to 70 on that. All right, now we're getting down to the last item. Right here, I am going to tell you guys that you need to look for old software. You got to look for it. It's gold. Out of everything in here, one of those is the most expensive item to be sold. And that item is going to be right there. Adobe Photoshop 7. That will sell for, it will sell for $250. I bought all three from my Honey Hole thrift store. They have software. It's like $3 each. So 1, 2, 3. Studio 8 gets me about 40. This one here gets me about 34. Okay. Media mail shipping, very easy. Why would that Adobe Photoshop 7.0, it's old and it works on Windows and that kind of stuff, why is it so expensive? Right now, all of these software companies are going to a subscription-based model, meaning you have to pay monthly. Especially Adobe Photoshop, which I use and I pay monthly. It's just something that I'm a photographer, so I tend to go that route. I could take this and probably be fine with just that, but I use a subscription base. A lot of other people don't want to. So they use this, and then from there, they save money, because Adobe Photoshop right now is $10 a month just to have it. So $10 a month. So if you buy this for $250, you own the rights to it, and you don't have to pay the $10 a month. So that's why. So look for Adobe Photoshop. You find it new, wrapped up, it could be $600, okay? So keep an eye out for all this older software. It sells really, really good. So you got, $250, let's call this 70, 320, 340, 370. What is that? 370, $700-800. Oh, somewhere around there. $700 worth of stuff. So it turned out to be another good day. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.